That's what I was trying to do. Come down those stumps. Oh gosh. Guys, he hit it right at the boat. Where's he at? Where's he at? There's so many gars stacked right here, I'm just playing with them. Alright, let's try it again. I can still see them over there. I mean, there's so many, they're just hitting it almost immediately. You may be catching on to my game. There he is. There's a snake too. I'll be doggone it. Ah, there he is. Oh, I got him hooked. I'm gonna have to get the rag to get a hold of him. I got that one in the boat. Yeah. Big old snake over here too. Pretty little short-nosed gar. Erp. Get out of here. Thank you, Lord. All I've got on here is a piece of cut brim from earlier. I don't even have no weight because my weight broke off and I just ain't put it back on. Ah, I got a little one. Yeah. Just got that freaking crankbait off that log and made my next cast. Hit this little one. With a largemouth. Thank you, Lord. Get out of here. Oh, nice. B52. He landed on it. That's what I was trying to do. Come down those stumps. Oh gosh. Guys, he hit it right at the boat. Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, that's a good fish. Ah, drumski. Drumski. He hit it right at the boat. Let's see if I can boat flip him. Ah, I got him. Hold on, drumski. Hold on, drumski. Try to get this out without getting hookski. All right. Got him. Come. Oh, hang on. Hang on. I gotta show you off a minute. That's a pretty good drum. If he was talking to you, I'd let you hear him. Get out of here. Ugh. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Slimy bugger. Come right off that old log. And boy, look at that. I had 3 foot of line out and he hit it right at the boat. I didn't know if I'd ever get him since he hit so close. Dadgummit. I just cannot stay off the trees. done drifted right up on the bank. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, I set it in there nice and tight. Boy, y'all getting, oh, I got it. Y'all getting to see me just get hung up every time I cast today. I've caught a lot more fish today than what I'm going to be able to show y'all because I have not ran the camera very much. Not very much at all. Hey, drum are so fun to catch. Man, for the first 30 seconds of it, they are the fightingest doggone fish, man. They hit hard and they fight hard. I remember fishing in the Big Bass Bonanza one year, and I caught about an 8-pound drum. You better believe it, I thought I had the tournament won. See if I can slow roll this through that brush. Oh, man, I hooked something. Didn't quite make it through that brush. Ah, a little Kentuck. Ah. Oh, came off right in the boat. And he's back. Good job, little buddy. He hit that about 4 times before I even knew he was there. Thought I was bumping a log or something. Oh, another little bitty one. I just caught another little bitty one. Shoo, little spotted bass. He stinks. Look at that black spot on his tail. Oh, that's mud. Actually, that's fish poop. Yeah, that's why he stinks. Well, hey guys, it's about to get dark. Man, we've had a great day. We're gonna wind it down. Sun's setting, as you can see. It's just a beautiful evening out here on the Arkansas River. We have fished. We've caught a lot of fish. Haven't got hardly any on camera, but you've just seen what we caught on camera. And other than that, we just enjoyed our time. Just being out here with my dad, man, it's just there ain't nothing like it. And same as being out here with my kids or something, you know, it's just special. And the camera, even though I had it on, and it just wasn't priority. But man, we had a great time. Caught some fish, lost some fish, and just enjoyed what God created. And we're gonna head on in. We got a couple miles to run down river, but found some new fishing spots out here today that in 40 years I ain't never fished. So it looks like I got a little sunburn too. Anyway, stay tuned, and remember, get out there. It's a whole other level outdoors. God bless. Till next time. Bye.